Is this recording? Okay. I was gonna say, hi guys. Today we're going to be watching Vita Carnes videos. Vita Carnes. This is Vita Carnes. This is what Vita Carnes is. Mimic. Trimmings. And more. Crawl. We're just reacting to Blubsy just screaming. Blubsy is my favorite because he likes screaming.
The other day I was on Reddit trying to find out what is the scariest analog horror video on this planet. And as I was doing some research, one user on Reddit commented that this analog horror series called Vita Carnes, I think that's how you pronounce it, if I'm mispronouncing it, somebody correct me in the comments down below, is one of the scariest analog horror videos he has ever witnessed that actually made him lose sleep at night. A video making somebody lose sleep at night? I have to check it out. How scary can this analog horror series be? So I decided, why not react to it on this channel? So here we go. Today we're going to be reacting to Vita Carnes Living Meat Research Documentary. Bro, what the... Anyways, without further ado, yes, I'm going to be watching this with the lights off. Is it really scary if the lights aren't off? Come on, man. Warning, this video talks about and shows imagery of graphic content like gore, violence, death, and flashing lights. Okay. Classified material, federal law provides severe civil and criminal penalties for the unauthorized viewing of this footage. Bro, what? On planet Earth, life has thrived for millions of years. That's true. Creatures big, small, have found ways to adapt and evolve to flourish in all types of environments. That's true. From barren wastes to lush forests, life can be found. Earth has homed these creatures since the dawn of life itself. Yeah, that's true. Only until very recently, things have changed. New life forms have appeared all around the globe and completely changing the balance of nature and what we know about evolution itself. That is why we, at National Living Meat Research, have been studying these new species, trying to help educate everyone about these creatures and their wondrous ways of life.
Okay, so first we got the trimming. Like, I like these trimmings. I imagine they're in a world that they're so cute, and I take care of them. I take care of them all.
First, what are these new life forms? I want to see it. Since their explosive arrival across the globe in 1931, there's been bro, what are you talking about? I don't see these creatures. Depend on what these newcomers are and where they came from. Alright. Are they extraterrestrials coming to invade Earth? Or are they demons who come from hell to purge humanity? From what our scientists have discovered, no. The origins of these creatures are solely to Earth, miraculously out of nowhere. We don't know why or how, but one thing is for certain, Earth is now their home. What these creatures are is mysterious and still not well known today. But here's what we do know. These creatures are comprised mainly of muscle tissue, organs, and bone. Okay, just like us. Humans have muscles, organs, and bones, okay. They greatly resemble animals with no skin, or store-bought meat. Because of these characteristics, they have been named accordingly as Vita Carnes. The Carnes species consume decaying, organic matter, but their main diet is composed of raw meat, not including their Carnes relatives. Wait, don't we... No, we eat cooked meat. Every stem structure is the host of divisions of other, smaller branches. Each tendril contains a variety of veins, arteries, and other similar organs used to transport nutrients absorbed from its surroundings. The ends of these tendrils are equipped with organelles used to absorb water and organic matter necessary for growth. The source of these organic materials is mainly found in dirt and soil on surrounding surfaces. Just like a tree. A tree is found in dirt and soil. You can't grow a tree without dirt and soil.
Yeah.
Bro, is dirt and soil the same thing, or are they different? Man, I don't know. I didn't get Using its root-like tendrils, it absorbs the material and processes it into usable energy. Although, the coral also obtains energy through another means. Using a sophisticated form of photosynthesis. The dark pigmentation of the smaller branches is ideal for absorbing sunlight, and therefore allowing solar energy to fuel the coral's growth. Makes sense. Because of its efficiency, it thrives in almost all types of environments, easily allowing it to spread across the world, and can be found pretty much anywhere. Yeah, that makes sense, but I'm not going to be scared of it. Its recent inclusion in the ecosystem has caused many major changes in nature's balance. One major compost, begins again. Also plays a very important role in the next creatures that we have been studying. Sometimes, in a coral-populated environment, a node of meat may develop on one of the branches. This node will... Wait, so this tree grows meat? Ooh, I like this tree, man. I like this tree. Will often grow into a functioning organism and go to live on as an independent animal. Wait, bro, so you can't eat the meat? The meat grows into a creature? Bro, what the? I thought we were about to have unlimited meat to eat. This leads us to the upcoming species that we will be discussing. The first of these creatures are the trimmings. Trimmings are small animals that resemble skinned raccoons. They are commonly known to have a plump body, round head, small eyes, nose and ear holes, and an agape mouth. They are also equipped with a diversity of limbs. All individual trimmings are unique, each with a different body shape, number of limbs, and other characteristics. One thing they all share in common is that they are made mostly of meat tissue and are a maximum of 20 centimeters in length. No inches? Bro, that's like the size of a basketball. Bro, what do I look like being scared of that, man? It's the size of a basketball. And a basketball.
The size is a basketball.
Its life starts with its separation from the crawl. Okay. It will wonder to find anything that is animal unable to consume. Okay. Although it is an omnivore, being able to hunt meat and forage for plant matter, trimmings are almost entirely scavengers. Their diet consists of rotting plants and meat, including, but not limited to, fruits, vegetables, roots, seeds, insects, and deceased animals. Bro, why would I be scared of this? This is like any other animal on planet Earth, man. As long as it doesn't eat humans, I am cool with it. Although the cowardly creature fleeing and hiding when threatened. Because of its lack of defensive traits, it lies near the bottom of the food chain, making it easily overpowered and picked off very regularly by predators. Naturally, its population would eventually die out. The coral constantly produces a large quantity of trimming nodes, keeping up their numbers. Naturally, trimmings can be found wherever there is abundant coral. Trimmings grow at a decent pace, reaching maturity in around 7 months, having a maximum lifespan of 2 to 4 years. Well, that's smart. Although they are plentiful, humanity has no proper way to implement trimmings into society. Their overabundance has even considered them pests. Bro! Oh my god! Even though they sound weak, and they really don't hurt humans, they do look very creepy. They look very, very creepy. Due to digging through trash bins and making excessive noise at night. Besides all of this, some people... Why would you want that? Why would you want that as a pet? Man, that looks creepy! Keep trimmings as pets and relatively domesticate them. What? Nuisance or not, trimmings are a wondrous creature. From their plentiful numbers to their skittish nature, they are truly a thing to behold. The next species on our list is the meat snake. The meat snake? The meat snake. I'm not really scared of snakes. Snake is a worm-like creature made of a variety of types of meat, coated in a transparent, skin-like membrane. Its size varies during its lifespan, depending on how much it consumes. When it first separates from coral, it is only... Am I supposed to be scared of that? Look at that! It's almost the size of a penny! Bro, why would I be scared of that? It looks so... It's so little, man! Come on, man! Few centimeters in length. Bro! Eventually, it will reach an average length of 5 meters. Although, under extreme conditions, like natural disasters, war, or plague, it can greatly surpass this length. The meat snake's diet consists entirely of dead animals or parts. A meat snake is incapable of consuming a healthy, living organism. Alright. The meat snake locates its food by using a tongue-like organ covered in sensors to touch and feel its environment. The sensors catch particles of decaying meat, notifying the meat snake that there is food nearby. Alright. This process shares many similarities to regular snakes, hence the meat snake's Bro, what? Her body is consumed. The meat snake's stomach will release a variety of chemicals in and the connection points between muscles. Others chemicals will then ferment and preserve the tissue to keep it from breaking down for as long as possible. After that, the remaining flesh and bones will move along pulses, hips, and zones, span, brain coating. What? Pens and meat snakes are a very... Humans use meat snakes in butcher shops as a waste bin, dispose roadkill, within war on the battlefield to dispose of festering bodies and parts, and within zoos to dispose of deceased animals. They are extremely tame. No creature is around them, only acting defensively.
I'm sorry! Oh, wait. I totally forgot. They do not eat living things. I was about to say, how's this person just taking a picture of a meat snake? They only eat dead corpse. Yeah. So if you're living, you're fine next to this meat snake, man. They don't harm you.
It is within consuming a meal. This means they are very easy to tame. Overall, meat snake is a marvelous creature with a very interesting way of sustaining itself. It is an amazing experience to encounter one, as long as you don't mind the smell.
Bro, that looks creepy.
Our next creature is the mimic.
Wait, what?
The mimic is a uncanny sort of humanoid anatomy. It greatly resembles skin, with added exaggerated features. Clothing.
Last night's meal.
Although, in the case that a human is awake, the mimic will use a variety of sounds to either
I thought the mimic was right at my door. Oh